maraming salamat. Wala pang 24 hours, wala pang isang araw, 7.6 million views ang official video ng Resign at ang kanyang official lyric video, 3.6 million views. Kami nag-edit, nag-direct, nag-produce, nag-rap, nag-vocals, lahat-lahat. Mr. and Mrs. Agassi, Sarina Agassi, Carlos Agassi, maraming salamat sa inyo. Matagal ko na po nangarap na ganito, na sana ma-appreciate nyo, unawaan nyo yung lyrics, bigyan nyo ng time, huwag ka agad-agad i-bash o kung gusto nyo matawa o magalit, okay naman. Pero di ba, nakita nyo naman yung creative process na entertain kayo. Yun yung mahalaga doon, nakakaiba kami, we're unique, kami mag-asawa sa aming style. So, thank you, let's spread the positivity and just drop your questions here about fitness, health, relationship, and music. Tas yan, gagawa natin. Tuloy-tuloy tayo sa ating healthy, happy, positive vibes journey. Tama kayo, mali ako, I'm not your doctor, do what works for you. God bless.